Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw taxable brokerage proceeds and estimate capital gains. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your brokerage account. Navigate to the section labeled Account or Portfolio. Locate the option for Withdraw Funds or Withdrawal. Select the account from which you wish to withdraw proceeds. Enter the amount of money you want to withdraw. Review any required documentation or agreements for the withdrawal. For estimating capital gains, take note of your purchase price for the asset. Identify the sale price of the asset when you sold it. Subtract the purchase price from the sale price to calculate the capital gain. If applicable, consider any transaction fees associated with the sale. Determine if the sale falls under short-term or long-term capital gains tax. Short-term capital gains apply if the asset was held for 1 year or less. Long-term capital gains apply for assets held longer than 1 year. Check the current capital gains tax rates for your income bracket. Multiply your total capital gain by the applicable tax rate to estimate your tax liability. Document all figures for your records and any future tax filings. Follow any further prompts for the withdrawal approval process. Verify that the withdrawal request has been submitted successfully. Monitor your bank account for the funds to arrive, typically within a few business days. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.